He sat on the same bench every single day for 2 years. Same bench, same park, same dream in his head, zero action. His name was Noah, and he had a plan, the most detailed, most thought out, most perfectly organized plan that never once left his notebook. The plan: Noah wanted to open a bakery, not just any bakery. The kind that smelled like childhood, the kind where people come in strangers and leave feeling like family. He had the recipes, he had the name, he had drawn the logo 14 times. He had everything except the courage to start. So every day after work, he came to the bench, opened his notebook, looked at the plan, and told himself, soon. The old woman one Tuesday, an old woman sat beside him. She looked at his notebook, at all the drawings, the plans, the sketches. She said, beautiful. What is it? Noah said, my bakery. One day, the old woman was quiet for a moment. Then she said something that hit him like cold water. One day is not a day of the week. Noah looked up. She was already standing, already walking away. An old woman, a stranger, 13 words. And Noah sat there feeling like someone had quietly removed the floor from under his feet. The next morning, Noah did not sleep that night. He kept thinking, one day is not a day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, one day. It was not on the list. It never comes. It never will. At 4 in the morning, he got up, opened his notebook. And for the first time, instead of drawing, instead of planning, instead of dreaming, he wrote one sentence. I will bake something today and give it to one person. That is all. The first loaf that morning, he baked bread. In his small apartment kitchen, with the old oven that made noise, with the cheap flour from the corner store. It was not perfect. One side was darker than the other. The shape was slightly wrong, but it smelled exactly like the bakery in his dream. He took it downstairs, knocked on his neighbor's door. An old man lived alone. Noah said, I baked this. I don't know if it's good, but I wanted someone to have it. The old man took it, looked at it, smelled it. His eyes went soft. He said, my wife used to make bread like this. I haven't smelled this in 11 years. Silence. He looked at Noah. Thank you, son, truly. Noah walked back upstairs, sat down, and felt something he had not felt in 2 years of sitting on that bench. He felt real. What happened next? He baked every day, not in a bakery, in his apartment. He gave bread to his neighbors. He brought loaves to the office. He left bags outside doors of people he knew were having hard weeks. People started asking, where did you get this? I made it, he said. Can I buy one? 6 months later, Noah was selling bread from a small table at the weekend market. No shop, no logo, just a table, a cloth, and bread that smelled like childhood. He sold out every single weekend. 1 year later, 1 year after that Tuesday, Noah opened his bakery. Small, 1 room, 6 tables. The smell hit you the moment you turned the corner. On opening day, he looked around at the people inside, strangers becoming familiar, and thought about the bench. 2 years of sitting, 2 years of planning, 2 years of soon. And then one old woman, 13 words, 1 loaf of imperfect bread, and everything changed. The truth: Noah was not waiting for the right time. He was waiting for permission, permission from the world, permission from circumstances, permission from some future version of himself who was more ready, more prepared, more certain. That version never comes, because readiness is not something you wait for. It is something you build by starting before you are ready. You have a bench, you have a notebook, you have a plan that has been a plan for too long. Stop waiting for one day. Pick a day, any day. Make something small. Give it to one person. And watch what begins. One day is not a day of the week. Today is start today.